Oh, hello. This is Nima Sultani, Master Weaver with Passion of Persia. Right now, Master Weaver Serkan is putting in the colored weft, as you can see. He's quite good at it and fast. If you look closely, those were the original, that light blue color right on his finger. If you look right there. And right now we're putting it in to start knotting the rug. You can visit us online if you have any rug repair or cleaning needs. We also do framing as well as museum wall mounting and mounting rugs to properly display your art on the wall. You can visit us online at passionofpersia.com. PASSIONOFPERSIA.com. We have an online form at the bottom of every page. You can easily contact us. What Serkan is going to do is actually use some old wool that was in a rug that we took out that has a good match color-wise, age-wise, and wool type-wise. It's a little bit of a more of a difficult repair than, let's say, using that green wool there, which we tried but wasn't a good color match. It didn't meet our standards. How we repair rugs is color for color, knot for knot, size for size, texture for texture. If you rather, you can call us at 602-374-6973. We serve the nation, so it doesn't matter if you live in Manhattan, New York, Aspen, Colorado, or Scottsdale, Arizona. We can help you. We are located at the Home and Design Center on Pima Road in Scottsdale, Arizona. It's a little harder to do He's using a crochet needle instead of the knife. There's no point using the knife since these are already been trimmed. And I'll stop shaking the camera, and if you look very closely, you'll see that these 4 knots were the knots that were just done, and these are the existing rug knots, and it's all the same. We hope to take care of all your rugs. Please don't hesitate to contact us. We give friendly, easy, no hassle quotes. We might require to see a picture because depending on the size of the hole, the knot per square inch, the knot type, and the material will justify the cost. Serkan is a very gifted weaver.